welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Terror network widens in Goa. Suspected terrorists Sadiq Lashkari and Hussain Bayati visited Goa with Indian Mujahideen founder Riaz Bhatkal. A special report. Shiroda school management was aware of misconduct by the teacher, yet no action was initiated. Yogesh Khandeparkar was asked to take VRS to safeguard school's image. Government implements Ladli Lakshmi scheme. 585 forms sanctioned. Griha Lakshmi from 2nd October. Couple dupes around 2,000 Goans of 35 crore rupees. Police arrest Satyajit Kulkarni after arrest of his wife. And Leskov University from Russia set to boost overall sports scene with scientific and technological advancement. And now the news in detail. The suspense about terror network in Goa has widened following interrogation of two suspected terrorists arrested by the Central Crime Branch. Sadiq Lashkari and Hussain Bayati have revealed that they visited Goa a number of times along with one of the founder members of terror group Indian Mujahideen, Riaz Bhatkal. Riaz's sister is married in Goa. Meanwhile, Afzal Khan's bail has been rejected by the Madgaon Session Court. The recent arrest of terror suspects by Central Crime Branch are exposing deep roots of many terror outfits in the state. Sources say that Sadiq Lashkari and Hussain Bayati, arrested from Karnataka, were frequent visitors in Goa. Why? Here is the reason. Sadiq's sister is married in Goa. Riaz's sister Farzana is also married in Goa. Riaz Bhatkal is a dreaded terrorist. Riaz, one of the founder members of Indian Mujahideen. The story doesn't end here. Sources say that Riaz himself used to visit Goa a number of times along with his boys. He even tried to establish local contacts and connections. Both Riaz and his brother Yasin are wanted for blasts at Dadar, Zaveri Bazaar and Opera House on the evening of July 13th last year, leaving 27 dead and 127 injured. Police have arrested 17 terror suspects following raids in major parts of the country. 11 of these are from Karnataka. Police suspect that they are associated with terror outfits like Lashkar-e-Taiba, Simi and Bangladesh branch of Huji, generally referred as Huji B. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Shiroda minor student molestation case has taken a shocking turn. The chairman of the school has revealed that the management was aware about involvement of teacher Yogesh Khandeparkar in such cases earlier. However, school management asked him to take VRS and to protect the name of the school. Ponda police have arrested the accused teacher on Thursday. He is 50 years old.
The molestation case at Shiroda has brought many facts to the fore. Chairman of the school, Ramkrishna Parkar, has revealed that school management was aware about the fact that accused teacher was involved in such cases earlier, but they preferred to keep quiet.
आम्ही डिपार्टमेंटाकडे अप्रूवल बी घेतला सस्पेन्शना
नाही गजाल केन्ना घडलेली एग्जाम केन्ना जातली नाही इतलो कित्याक डिले जालो आमकां कंप्लेंट बीन मॅनेजमेंटान पोलीस स्टेशनान बीन कांयच करूंक
ना ना आमी नांव इस्कॉलाचें नांव पेड्ड्यार जातलें तें चलयेचें नांव पेड्ड्यार जातलें म्हणून आमी ओगी रावले.
That's not all. The chairman claims that the management of the school tried to protect the accused teacher Yogesh Khandeparkar.
ना ताका हांवें रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें इन युअर इंट्रस्ट टू टेक VRS वी विल गिव ऑल फॅसिलिटी ऑल बेनिफिट्स that he will get.
But after knowing this incident, VRS घेवपाक तुमी सांगिल्लें ताका but after this incident,
so that he should resign and be scot free.
After this. So basically the management tried to shield.
He tried to save him.
He tried to shield him from just to save the name of the school.
Aye.
Is there any other case of any other student complaining of being his victim?
There were other oral complaints against him so many times.
Why did the school not act then? Why did the school not
Oral
act
complaints
then?
we don't act.
The accused Yogesh Khandeparkar was arrested by Ponda police on Thursday at Bori.
We have arrested Mr. Yogesh Khandeparkar, who is a school teacher, and he is residing at Shiroda itself. So we arrested him, and then investigation going on.
Khandeparkar said that he has been falsely implicated in this case. Chairman does not agree to it. He has a different story to tell.
Promotion headmaster postak तेका लागून मॅनेजमेंटान
ना तो क्वॉलिफायड नाशिल्लो कोणूच क्वॉलिफायड नाशिल्ले आतां स्कुलान पळय जितले टिचर आहा एकटायच भितर क्वॉलिफायड ना टू बिकम हेडमास्टर.
However, later in the evening, Khandeparkar was admitted to Hospicio in Margaon after he complained of illness.
Our reporter Vivek Prabhu from Shiroda.
BJP's much talked about Ladli Lakshmi scheme was implemented on Thursday. 585 forms are sanctioned by the government. The Gruha Lakshmi scheme will be launched by 2nd October. As per the scheme, housewives would get 1,000 rupees per month.
पण तेन्ना हांवें आश्वासन दिल्लें की 18 वर्साच्या चलयेक आमी 1 लाख दितले. कारण पोरूच्या सरकारान सांगलें चली जल्माक गेले 5,000 दितात, चली जल्माक गेले ते नांवार 25,000 घालतात. पयशेच ना. कन्यादान योजनेचे ताणें सांगून ना कन्यादान योजनेचे म्हाका दिसता 4-5 हजार अर्ज पडलेले आसा. आमी आतां प्रोविजन दिला 8 कोटी रुपयाचे हांवें ह्या वर्सा पोरूच्या योजने खातीर. लग्न जाता आसतना 25,000ची पळय लिमिटेड स्कीम आशिल्ली ताका ओनूय योजना दिला. ही येवजण चालीक लायली की ताजे दिता पयशे. कारण हांव निवडून येतकच आमचें सरकार निवडून येतकच आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून ही येवजण 6 म्हयन्या भितर अंमलान हाडलेली आहा. हातूंत सगळ्यांचे कश्ट आसा. आनी पॉप्युलिस्ट स्कीम खंयची आसता जाल्यार निवडणुकीक 6 म्हयने आसतना जी घोशणा जाता तिका पॉप्युलिस्टीक म्हणटा. महिलांक महागाई भत्तो म्हणून 1,000 रुपया दिवपाची आमची येवजण रेडी आहा. फक्त आमकां लक्षांत अशें आयलें की ही येवजण करता करता ती जर भितर आनीक इंट्रोड्यूस केली चवथी पयली जाल्यार डिपार्टमेंटान धुमशाण जातलें. गोंदळ सगळो जातलो. तो गोंदळ जावचे न्ही म्हणून आमी ठरयलां की 2 ऑक्टोबराक ही स्कीम आमी लॉन्च करतले आनी ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्याच्यान दिवपाक सुरू करतले. कारण त्या येवजणेक जवळ जवळ 1.5 ते 2 लाख बायलांक ताजो बेनिफीट जातलो.
मंजूर करून येणारे जे फुडले फायनान्शियल इयर 2012-13 आसा ह्या 2012-13 सालान कमीच कमी 15,000 महिलांक चलयांक ही स्कीम पावोवपाची केल्या. आनी ताज्या फुडें सुद्दां जर जाय पडलें जाल्यार म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा की हे सरकार आमचो मुख्यमंत्री ताका सप्लिमेंटरी बजेट दिवन जितकी फॉर्मां येतली आनी जितके चलया भुरग्यांक 1 लाख दिवपाक जावो किंवा लग्नाची चलयां रेशील केला तांकां सगळ्यांक आमी पयशे दितले आनी पावयतले.
Video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.